In Business School News today, students who choose to delay matriculation into MBA programs to gain work experience may stunt their business careers and financial gain, recent research suggests. A new study from Kremer Graduate School of Business at Rollins College found that those who begin pursuing an MBA degree immediately after undergraduate program may have a higher earnings over the course of their careers than those who enter the workforce first. Researchers reported 30-year-old professionals who obtained an MBA degree immediately following a bachelor program earned approximately the same salaries as those who worked 1 to 5 years after completing an undergraduate course of study. However, MBA holders with no work experience averaged a 96% increase in salaries after completing business school, while students who worked before pursuing a degree showed an 80% gain in their incomes. Mark Zupan, Dean of the Simon School of Business at the University of Rochester, said these findings suggest it is advantageous for students with the right attitude and aptitude to pursue an MBA directly out of college or shortly thereafter. Associate's and bachelor's programs in business can provide prospective MBA degree candidates with the preparation they will need to complete coursework and nurture their careers. Payscale.com, a research company, says that the average salaries for holders of MBA degrees ranged from $73,000 to $171,000 in 2008, depending on the field, position, and years of experience. For more information, please fill out our contact form, subscribe to our feed, and share us with your friends. Thank you for watching.